Okay, so it's been about a week or so. Okay, and the demolition work has already been completed. So you can see the walls have been hacked down. A lot of the fixtures, carpentry works, you can see this pile of rubbish here. Okay, all this is going to be clear. All the existing carpentry works have been demolished. Okay, there used to be a TV feature wall, counter, of course the kitchen cabinet. Okay, so this wall has been hacked down to widen the entrance to the kitchen with two sliding panel door. The flooring all have been removed as well. Okay, so let's go into the rooms. Okay, so this L-shaped wall has been removed, and later I'm going to propose like a glass divider here to allow more light to penetrate into the passageway. Okay, and this is going to be a study. Master bedroom. Okay, master bedroom, quite straightforward. So here you can see I've hacked away this wall. My reason is because I just want to extend this wall a bit longer, and then this will be the entrance to the bathroom. So at least here to be about 550. So the vanity can be in this orientation rather than right now is the standard way. Okay. So if you have a wall that is too shallow, right, you need to open up another entrance, like shift the entrance from here to here, and then fill this wall up. Okay, and then you have the longer vanity area. Okay guys, it's been about a week already since the last update. Okay, so today I'm going to show you what my taller has done so far for the masonry works. Okay, let's start from the kitchen. Okay, so for kitchen, the kitchen cabinet is over here. Okay, and there are a lot of exposed walls. So all these exposed walls have been plastered smooth. Okay, and then later will be painted over. Okay, all this piping will be hidden or concealed by some boxing up here and then here as well. Okay, so all this ugly piping will be boxed up. There'll be a base cabinet and then a wall mount cabinet over here. Fridge is here, followed by another tall cabinet. So there'll be two sliding door to the kitchen. Okay, so that will be part of the carpentry works. Okay, let's move on to the. This is the study area, master. Right, you may be wondering why there are no walls and no doors. Those will be built later with soundproofing partition board. You'll see the layout later on. Okay, and so the master is here. Okay, so one thing to take note of is if you're using a wall mount WC. Okay, so this is how the tunnel will construct. Okay, first. Right, the waterproofing has to be done. Okay, the darker tone is the waterproofing cement. Okay, so it actually goes up to about this height because this is the shower area. Okay, this part here we box up. Right, the floor definitely have been waterproof already. Okay, so this WC, the installation step is first. Once the wall is waterproof, the water tank will be mounted. Okay, the water tank with the bracket will be mounted on the wall here. Okay, and then the tiler will use this hollow block, right, to create the structure or a low wall. Okay, high enough to hide. This is the pressing, right, the flushing button. So tiler will construct this structure wall. Okay, and hide this wall-mounted WC. Okay, and all this height can be adjusted a little bit, right? But more or less is about there. Okay, one thing to note is in the long term, right? It might have water leakage somewhere. It might have. I'm not saying it will, but it might have. So if there's water leakage, okay, it's very important is the bottom part there. Okay, has to be sealed up so that the water will flow out. Okay, the water will flow out. Any leakage water will flow out from the side here. Okay, it will flow out and then it will go into the floor trap. Right, this is just in case. I'm not saying it will happen, right? But just to be safe than sorry. Okay, so you can ask your tailor to open up a small hole at the side, okay, to let the water drip out. Okay, and over here will be the vanity. Right, I've lengthened this wall. Okay, I've shifted the bathroom entrance, okay, more to the right so that there'll be ample space for the vanity cabinet there. Okay, so there'll be this mirror storage. Okay, and of course above here there's still a box up. Okay, so this one becomes a niche for display purpose. Okay, and these are the big format tiles, 1002 by 600. Okay, so this will be applied on all the walls. Okay, this is the master bathroom. The common bathroom has the same wall and floor tiles. Okay, one thing to note is, okay, as per my design, okay, there's going to be a full height partition wall all the way up to the ceiling. Okay, and there'll be a sliding glass door that slides open this way inside behind the partition. So you go in like that, okay, and then you will close the sliding glass door, okay, against this build up wall. Okay, so because the sliding glass door, you can't possibly mount all the way up to the ceiling, because first there's a beam, right, and then there's also the box up here for the piping. Okay, so it will go until this height. Okay, this structure was installed by my tailor. Okay, this is we call lintel. Okay, so this is a metal lintel. It has been cemented because they are going to box up this part here. This structure is mounted to the wall and here to the beam, so it's very strong. Okay, because if you have a sliding glass door, the weight is very heavy. Okay, so you really need one metal lintel, right, that goes all the way end to end, so the track can be installed at the bottom. Okay, but of course you don't see this metal lintel anymore because it's going to be hidden by the partition wall. Okay, so what you'll be seeing is just this partition wall going all the way and then a little bit here. Okay, then the sliding glass door, the track will be mounted directly below this metal structure, so it's very sturdy and rigid. Okay, just want to show you a little bit on the common bathroom. Okay, so common bathroom, you can see the wall tiles, right, they are the same as the master bathroom. Okay, but the floor is the wood tone wood pattern porcelain tiles. Okay, I purposely use a lighter shade of wood for the floor just to blend in more seamlessly. Okay, that area is the shower. Okay, vanity is here. There's going to be a full height wall also to block up the shower area. Okay, the entrance will be towards this way. The WC is at the far end. Okay guys, it's been almost about 1 to 2 weeks already. So today I'm going to show you the aircon piping, and my guys are doing the false ceiling and the partition work today. So I will just go through with you also. Okay, so the first thing first is you see that there are already the aircon piping. So there are 2 aircons at the daughter's room and the master. Okay, this is the study, there is no aircon. There's one at the living and dining. So this is the huge one. This one has a separate compressor. So the other 2 rooms will be using one compressor. Okay, so over here you can see that this aircon piping. Okay, this is the gas and the water piping. Okay, they are laid over here. Okay, and it goes all the way towards the common bathroom. Okay, so over here there's one drainage to the floor trap. Okay, and then there's one more connecting one. This is the daughter's bedroom. So another connecting one. So very straightforward, this one. go into the common bathroom. Okay, and like I said, this room doesn't have any aircon. So this is the master. So master is actually above the wardrobe. Okay, so there's going to be a box up on top, then the wardrobe will be at the bottom. So master one straight away go into the master bathroom. So all this will be box up, okay, and then into the existing box up, and out into the existing access hole that HDB cater for. Okay, and then the compressor is over there. Okay, also all this will be box up, okay, because I'm going to leave a niche here. So on top here will be all box up. Of course, finished with tiles. Okay, so let me show you a bit on the false ceiling side or the partition. So if you look at there, that's the curtain pelmet. The curtain pelmet is very easy to construct. Okay, basically because there is a beam at the bottom. So what you need to ask your guy is to just install one flat panel like that. This is a gypsum board. Right, just a flat panel against the beam or install on the beam, and then that will make into a curtain pelmet already. Okay, so very straightforward. Of course, this height, this drop follows the entire false ceiling height. In my previous video, I showed you the design, how the false ceiling layout is. Okay, so just to recap a little bit, this is the entrance. So this entrance will be lowered. Okay, so it goes all the way, and then because this is a dining table, so it goes like that. Okay, so there'll be cove lighting here and cove lighting here. Okay, and the unique part about this design is this curve feature. Okay, I already marked out the curve. Okay, a little bit curve, not too curved because of the, I do not want the curve feature to eat too much into the dining area. So you see the line there. Okay, so a slight curve with an entrance to the passageway and then two window, okay, to allow more light to pass through. So that one I think I'm anticipating with bated breath because this is something that I've never done before, and I'm glad that my client accepted my suggestion, the design. Okay, so I definitely update you guys once this curve feature wall is up. Okay, and let me talk a little bit on the bathroom. Okay, so this is the common bathroom. So I've created this partition. Okay, this partition is finished in calcium silicate board. Okay, calcium silicate board is a waterproof board that you can use to lay tiles. Okay, so never ever use other kind of board to do for any partition inside the bathroom, especially for wet areas. Okay, so this one, once I segregate this shower area, I'm going to make a niche here, and then the vanity is here. So in that sense, I enlarged the vanity a little bit more. Okay, so it's a good size vanity. Okay, shower area just nice. Okay, but of course, not to forget there's a shampoo niche somewhere here. Okay, the mixer is here. There'll be a shower screen with a swing door. Okay guys, it's been about another few more weeks already since the last video. Okay, so today is basically just the false ceiling and the partition. So I'm going to show you how I did the false ceiling. Okay, and also this curve feature, which is the highlight of the entire living and dining. Okay, so start from the main entrance. Okay, so main entrance start. There's a drop ceiling. Okay, this drop ceiling, there will be a LED strip that runs across, okay, just to illuminate the passageway. There will be some cabinet here and a divider, okay, to segregate the passageway from the living. So as you step in, okay, this will be the kitchen. There'll be 2 sliding door that slides. Okay, this part here has to remove, okay, because the door is going to slide inwards to behind the storeroom area. At the kitchen, there are actually some pipings inside. So all these have been concealed. Okay, of course you can have a downlight here. So all this is concealed. Okay, there'll be some cabinet here. There'll be a wall mount cabinet and then a base cabinet. Okay, the fridge is quite big. And then there's a full height. So as you can see, the drop of this ceiling, okay, is the drop of the aircon piping. Because behind this box up is the aircon piping that runs underneath the false ceiling. Okay, it runs below at the highest point because there's a beam running across here, so it has to be under the beam, and it goes here. It goes like that, and then it goes into the box up. Okay. Of course, there's going to be a drainage somewhere. Here, the drainage pipe is at the vanity side here. Okay, and then it drains to the floor trap. Okay, so this is the height of the highest point from the bottom of the aircon piping. So like I mentioned, this is the main focal point of the entire living and dining. Okay, this being the dining. Okay, the dining, you can see that this false ceiling follows the dining feature wall, the width. Okay, the dining table is going to be here. That area is going to have a feature wall as well with my client's piano. Okay, over there. So this is a curved feature that I purposely designed, okay, to segregate the communal area and private spaces inside. Right, private spaces will be the study, daughter's room, and the master bedroom. Okay, so from this angle you can see that it's a very gentle curve. Okay, I think here will be better. You can see it's a gentle curve. Okay, let's create something special. Right, this is like a window opening. Okay, left and right. Okay, then this is the entrance to the private spaces. Here at the bottom you can see there's these 2 niches. Okay, they are just downlight. Okay, there's going to be a small downlight at the bottom, shining down. Okay, so the whole idea of creating this curved feature wall is because the entire living and dining is very rectangular. Okay, of course it's good in the sense that it's very spacious, but then it's quite the quite the usual design. Okay, because a lot of homeowners, they just want to have it as wide as possible, right? The living and dining. So I thought, just to curve that corner, so make the living and dining a bit more special. Okay. Okay, so this is a passageway to three rooms. This is the daughter's room, master bedroom, and of course this is the study. Okay, this part here will have to be shifted slightly to the right just to flush with the wall here. Okay, and the entrance to the study is actually here. This is just a fluted glass. Okay, at the corner just curve a little bit, right, just to have the consistent flow with the rest of the false ceiling design. Okay, so if you look at the master, right, it's not so wide. Okay, because there's going to be a wardrobe here, 600. Okay, that left about 1 meter of walking space, which is very comfortable going towards the sleeping area. Okay, so sleeping area, the bed will be tucked at that wall. Okay, this box up is too shallow. Okay, because it has to be 600 for the wardrobe, because the wardrobe stretches from one end all the way to the entrance there. And there's a niche here. Okay, all this will be tiled up on top. Okay, bottom is wall mounted WC. Okay, brand is Brick. Okay, and so all this will be tiled up. Okay, so if you look at here, it's I created a shower area. Okay, a shower area which is good because there's a window here, so there's a lot of ventilation and it's quite bright. I've created this wall here. Okay, just to segregate. The reason is because I wanted to propose a sliding glass door. So at the sliding glass door will be inside here. Okay, and then when you close, it will rest on this portion. Okay, so it's just nice, and the top is, as shown in my previous video, this is a metal bracket. Okay, so the track will be installed on the metal bracket instead of some partition. Okay, because the glass door is very heavy, so it's always good to install the sliding door track underneath the metal bracket. And this part here is the shower area, okay, with a concealed mixer, okay, a huge shampoo niche, okay, and of course there's going to be an overhead shower somewhere here. Okay, let me show you the common bathroom. Okay, so for common bathroom, same thing. I created a wall especially for the shower at the back. Okay, that gives some privacy. Okay, because the entrance is here towards the shower area. Same thing, the top hung window also brightens up the shower area. The WC is here, so there's going to be a niche. Okay, the niche we have a LED strip at the bottom to shine some light up, some upthrust light. Okay, mirror here. Okay, vanity. Okay, quite straightforward, but it's just that I added this partition wall just to segregate the shower area from the dry area.